Everyone, in this video I will show you how to uninstall Microsoft Office in Windows 11. So there are a few ways on how to uninstall Microsoft Windows 11. First, you can go to Start menu and then go to Settings. Here in the settings, you have to look for the application or apps. And then here in the apps, you have to look for Install application. Now here you have to scroll down and you have to look for the Microsoft Office Windows 11, but I don't have one. Let's just say this one is the Microsoft Office. All you have to do is to click or double tap and then tap on uninstall. Now once you tap uninstall, it will ask you again if you want to uninstall, and you just have to click uninstall. Wait for a couple of seconds, and as much as possible, restart your computer or PC. Another way is that you can just go again to Start menu and then look for apps and features. It's like a shortcut, tap on open. And then it's the same thing. You have to look for the Microsoft Office. Scroll down here. Let's just say this one is the Microsoft Office. You just have to click, tap, and then click uninstall, tap on uninstall again, and then restart your PC. However, if this method didn't work, then the method 3, you can use the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistance. If Office won't uninstall normally, you can go to the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant website, download and open the tool, select Office. Let's just say I have Office installed, but I'm having trouble uninstalling it. Follow the prompts to remove all Office components. And then once you're done, then you can basically restart your PC to ensure all leftover files are removed. And that's how easy it is to uninstall Microsoft Office in Windows 11 completely. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.